Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off the blue light on your iPhone using night shift mode and color filters. Blue light can interfere with your sleep, so turning it off in the evening is a great idea. Before moving next, please subscribe to my channel for more tips. If you have subscribed, then like this video at the end. Now, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Press and hold the brightness slider. You'll see a new screen with more brightness options. Tap on the night shift icon in the bottom left corner. This will turn on night shift, which reduces blue light and makes the screen easier on your eyes. You can also schedule it to turn on automatically. To do this, go back to the home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Tap on Night Shift. Here, you can schedule the time range you want night shift to be active. For example, sunset to sunrise, or you can set custom schedule according to your requirement. You can also manually enable it until tomorrow. Additionally, you can adjust the color temperature to make the screen warmer or cooler. To make it warmer, simply drag the slider to the right side. The second method is to turn off the blue light from your iPhone using a red filter in Accommodations. Follow these steps to turn on the red filter on your iPhone screen. First, go to the Settings app. Scroll to Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size. Now, on this screen, scroll to Color Filters and tap on it. Finally, the color filters settings look like this. Now toggle the green switch next to Color Filters. Various color filter options will appear. Among them, click on Color Tint. Fine, now maximize the intensity and drag the hue slider to the left side for 0, so that completely red filters are applied to your phone display. Now let's see how the phone screen looks. This reduces eye strain and is good for nighttime phone use. That's it. You've successfully turned off blue light on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.